Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sonu, also known as Sanchi. This is a different kind of video because I'm not doing any challenge, nor am I on vacation, but I got myself an iPhone 11 Pro because my phone got stolen in Vegas back in July. So I've been using the iPhone 7, and from iPhone 7 to an iPhone 11 Pro, it's a big upgrade. And yeah, I love Apple products, so yeah, it's a great toy to have. But I thought, why not do an unboxing and do a get ready with me with some makeup products that I can show you. Make this a sort of a test to see how the iPhone 11 Pro films. And I'm curious to see if the phone actually is the best camera that's out there on any phone in the world. So let's not waste any more time and start with the video. So let's start unboxing. So there are 4 colors of the iPhone 11 Pro and I opted for the gold one because it's more girly. It looks like this. It weighs 6.6 ounces and it has a Super Retina XDR display and a 5.8 inch OLED screen. It's extremely matte. We have to get used to it because it was shiny before. It has 3 cameras. It's not that pretty. It's actually ugly, but I'm not gonna see them. And let's get this out of the way. And it has a 12 megapixel camera, an OLED screen, and it lasts up to 4 hours longer than the previous iPhone. And that's about it what I know for now. I had an iPhone 7 before, so it looks like this next to each other. So I'm gonna start installing the phone. So this is great. You can put them next to each other and they will copy all the things you had installed before. And I actually love that about the iPhone. So I'm gonna finish configuring the iPhone and we'll be right back. So the box contains the usual manual. It's the one that comes in all the iPhones. It has AirPods with Lightning connector, the same as the previous iPhone. And it comes with this power cable. It's a fast charger, 18 watts, USB-C to cable. And yeah, let's start with filming the tutorial and check if the quality of the video is as great as they claim. I will mention the products that I use in the comments and of course somewhere in the screen maybe. We'll see how that works. This is my first time doing a makeup video, so please be kind in the comments. So I'm starting off with the Fenty Beauty primer. It's a soft matte one. I actually bought this in the States when I was there last time. And actually 2 days after buying this, they announced that they are coming out with the complete matte of this primer. So I was very bummed. But I'm not wasting any money and I'm gonna finish this. And I bought this actually because for the last half year, I think, maybe more, I've been very oily in my T-zone. And before that, so last year, I was extremely dry. I had dry patches everywhere. But it's not the case anymore. So first of all, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna do that off camera, I think, so I'll be right back. For you it will be a second. So as you can see, my brows are done. I used the NYX micro brow pencil in the color Espresso, and it's a great one. And then I changed my mind. I'm gonna use the Shayla times Colourpop Perception palette. This one has a mirror and you can see the phone right there. I'm gonna use these colors. And before I forget, I use the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my lids. I always do that with the concealer. Let me see. This is a very easy look. I'm gonna start with the color Culture. It's a light orange shade. And place that in my crease. I think I'm only gonna use one brush, and I'm dipping it into Revenge and just placing it on the lids. As I said, it's a very easy look that you can do on a daily basis. This is what I actually do when I am in rush. You don't have to be neat or clean. So if you're wondering why I'm doing a makeup video or a get ready with me, you have to check my Instagram. It's @sonji and 3 eyes on the end. And I love doing fashion and makeup videos. Doing makeup is like therapy for me, so I enjoy it. It's not my main thing to do, but I love filming it as I get a lot of compliments. So I was very nervous back then when I started filming, and now I'm quite okay with it. And of course, as you know from my previous videos on YouTube, I love to do challenges and food tasting, and of course going on holidays. Who doesn't love that? But I thought, let's mix it up and do something else. But enough about that, let's get back to the look. So after using Revenge on my eyelids, I will use Thick. It's a very orangey shade. It's the most orange in the whole palette, so I'm using that to put in my crease again, to define the crease a bit on the lids as well. You're not gonna see that it's not neat or clean, so just see what happens. For professional makeup artists, this would be weird, I think, but I'm gonna use Strut & Slay, Diva and TF. I'm gonna use those, all of those three on my eyelids like this. And then, not using any product anymore, I'm gonna use everything that's left on this brush and go back in my crease. To give the center of my eyes a pop, I'm gonna use TF again, but only that one, and just tap that in the middle. And like this, the eyes are done. As you can see, I have quite deep set dark circled eyes, so I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime in the color Peach Lustre. So what phone do you use? To be honest, I wouldn't buy this iPhone 11 Pro as yet if my phone didn't get stolen. I got some money back from an insurance company, so I used that money to buy the iPhone 11 Pro actually. Else I would have to wait. I actually did like my iPhone X. I used it all the time and I filmed quite a bit on it during my holiday in Vegas. If you want, you can watch that travel vlog as well. It's, I think, 1 or 2 videos back, but I will put it in the description as well. And then back to the look. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. It's an extremely matte foundation, and that's why I bought it actually. Past couple of months it's been my favorite foundation. I use the color Caramel, and in MAC I am, I think, an NC42. If you are an NC42, you either need beige or caramel. And now I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. I didn't find anything else that's as good as the Tarte Shape Tape. I heard about the Benefit Boing Concealer, but I didn't try that yet. For highlighting, I'm using the Master Chrome by Maybelline in the color Molten Gold. Then I'm using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Then I will set my eyes with the Hudabeauty Banana Bread Powder. So I'm gonna let that set, and I will do the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes with the palettes. This brush belongs to the Soft Glam palette. Then I use the same highlight as before. I will put that on the inner corner of my eyes and a bit on the brow bone. I'm not going to use any eyeliner or any false lashes. I'm only going to use some mascara, just a quick curl. And then the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. It's actually great for the lower lash line, as you can see. I love a nice and strong lower lashes, very defined. I'm not sure if anyone else does this anymore, but I'm using a black kohl liner for the lower lash line. And to make the makeup a bit skin-like, I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm gonna use a lip liner from Primark. I love the lip liners from Primark. They are dupes for the Huda Beauty liners, in my opinion. It's Velvet Touch. I like to feel the lips as well. Then I'm using the Dose of Colors lipstick by Katie and Desi Perkins in the color Aftermath. And what I do at the end is I remove all the foundation from my hair. So I braided my hairs 2 days ago and it looks like this. I like it. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I will put on some earrings and some jewelry and be right back. So I put on some rings and nice earrings that go with my sweater. And this is the completed look. So this is the completed look. I usually do around 20 minutes to get this look. If I'm going out, like I said before, I usually do my makeup in around 1 or 1.5 hours, just because I love it. I will get in my zone, do my makeup, take my time, watch a Netflix show during the makeup session. I just love that. And I will list all the makeup products in the description below, and let me know what you think of the iPhone 11 Pro, the quality. I have to tell you that I used an external mic. I couldn't use the mic built in the iPhone because the camera is very far from me, so I had to zoom it in as well. That's because there's a construction going on in my room, so I had to do some movements and place the camera a bit far away. But now you can see how the camera works with a 75% zoom in. I did zoom in quite a bit, so this is what you get. Let me know if you liked this video, this get ready with me makeup content, or if you want me to stick to travel vlogs and challenges and taste tests. If you want to see more makeup, please let me know in the comments, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see more. Let me know if you are buying this or are you skipping it. I can understand it's a huge amount to pay. And if you're buying it, which color are you buying? I'm just curious. Leave all those things in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!